Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shayan. I am a student of Quran Academy, and today I will tell you 3 du'as. Number 1, the du'a to increase knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. The translation is, "Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge." Du'a number 2, du'a before drinking milk. Allahumma barik lana fihi wa zidna min. Oh Allah, grant us blessings in it and grant us more than that. Dua number 3, dua before entering the toilet. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal-khaba'ith. Oh my Lord, I seek refuge from wicked male and female jinns. Please subscribe our channel, like and share the videos. Make sure to use these dua in your practical life. Jazakallah khaira. Allah Hafiz.
Mm-hmm.